All right, so here we go. So I'm going to share my screen now. So my name is Jonathan. I'm taking exercise chapter 3, exercise 5. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can all see what I'm doing now. Oh, come on. All right, so here we go. So I've already done this. So just want to review with you what I've done so far in the assignment. So the exercise here is exercise 3 to 5 is part level summation. So there we go. So the question is a tabular analysis of the transaction made during August 2017 by Ivanhoe Company during its first month of operation is shown below. So here the question is each increase and decrease in stock holders equity. So here is the tabular form of it. Is the table contents of the whole thing that we're going to solve. So is asset. This is account receivable. It's cash, account receivable. Supplies, equipment. Under liabilities, we have accounts payable, and then common stock. And then we have under stockholders' equities, we have retained earnings, and so with that. So here we go. So the question is prepared an income statement for August, for the month of August. So since it's for the month of August, so you come here to the drop down box here, you click on it. I'm already done with this whole stuff. So you click on it, and you drop the drop down menu where you can click for the month of August, because they didn't specify if it was the beginning of August, so it was the end of August that this was prepared for. So first pick up the first revenue. The first thing on income statement is revenue. So know that everyone. So pick your revenue. You pick service revenue. Let's see if service revenue was given in the table. So here we go. Here is service revenue. You can see. So this fall under service revenue. So here we go. And input that figures here. So I come here. Here we have expenses. The drop down box. You click here. The drop down box. So you select the expenses. We have salaries and wages expenses. It's the first thing here. So here you can see salaries and wages expense is the most large amount that we have here. That is minus $3,100. So you drop it down here. It'll be less minus. It's negative. So I need to bracket it. So here you have rent expense. It's followed by, so here you have rent expense, all fall under expenses. So okay, it's written here, rent expense. So after rent expense, we had utilities. So you click on here, you drop down menu, click on, it show you the way the utilities expenses. So you have minus $250. So here is the utility expense. So we come down, here we go. So total expenses, you sum all this together, have this. So now in order to find the net income slash loss, you click on the drop down menu. Here, the box will pop up. You click on net income slash loss. So after that, you pick this number here you have as service revenue. Then you minus it from what we have as total expenses. It's going to give you this. So you import this and you click submit. I run this twice after the first one. So I repeat it again so I get it right. So here we go. In the month of the next one is prepared a retained earnings statement for, I guess, set list items that increase retained earnings first. So in the month here, said prepared a retained earnings for August. So here is for the month ended. This is 31st. So the retained earnings, the first thing that you're going to check on it was what was the retained earnings at the first of the month of August. It was not given here, so you can see there was no retained earnings here. So you need to input 0. That's what 0 is here. So you come to the drop down menu, you add this with what we had previously from, which is the net income slash loss. So here with it. So you bring this numbers, this figure that we had from here, you bring it and input it. Yay! There we go. So you're gonna have this number here, and then you add this together. You're gonna give me this. So the same thing you did last, and you bring down dividend. Dividend was given in the question. Dividend. Here is it. Here's dividend as it was given. So you bring down dividend. The dividend was minus $1,400. So here is dividend minus $1,400. So I said this $5,704 minus $1,400. We're gonna give you $4,340. That's the retained earnings at the month ending of August. So year was beginning was not given. So now you find the ending of the month of August 2017. So you see, I run this stuff twice and I get the right answer. Here we go. So here the next thing is prepared a classified balance sheet at August 31st, 2017. So at least current asset in order of liquidity. So here, anything balance sheet is at the ending of the year. So the balance sheet was ending at the year of August 31st, 2017. So the first thing in balance sheet is always is current assets. So what were the current assets? It was we have a cash that was given. So the cash is 11,760. Let's see if it was given the question. So you come to cash, you add up everything, you sum up everything here. When you sum up everything here, it's going to give you 11,760. So likewise, accounts receivable. Let's see if something is applicable in account receivable. So account receivable, so further under asset. So he had this sum of this. So remember, this is $5,500 and $5,500. You add it to this, it's gonna give you 4,000 something. Let's see. Yeah, $4,950. So let's see if supplies was given. Supply was given also. So here we go. Here we go. Here is the supplies. $910. $910. So here we have $910. So you come here, you sum the total of this. That is going to give you total current asset, which is this $17,620. Now you in the so you drop down this, which what again was there? It was equipment. So equipment was given, which was $4,970. So let's see. In that question is added to it. So you see, it's addition. So you're gonna add that. Hold on. So equipment, you drop it down. So this, which was the total current asset plus equipment, and going to result at $22,590. And now you're done with that. So you come to liabilities and stockholders equity. So current liabilities, you drop down because it's under liabilities, current liabilities. Likewise, we had a current asset here, a current asset here. So the same thing you're gonna do here, our current liability. So here is it. So the first thing in current liabilities was accounts payable. So let's see if accounts payable was given here. Accounts payable. Okay. Observation accounts payable. So you come to the accounts payable. You sum the whole of this. See, fall under liabilities. You sum the whole of this together, and then the answer is what you're going to drop down here. The answer is what you're going to drop it down there. So you now move to, you click on the drop down menu, you're going to take you to stock this equity. So the first thing in equity here was our common stock. Let's see if common stock was given. So you see common stock with common stock X. Common stock was given, which is $16,800. So common stock was $16,800, and it was given for the question. So here we also had retained earnings. The retained earnings that we had from this, which was the month of August, the month of August, here we has it $4,340. So you drop it down. Okay, so now have common stock and retained earnings. So here now you now add you now sum this together, which is the total of stockholders equity, which will result, if you add this together, it's going to give you this $21,140. Now, to know if this answer we had here is correct, so there's no need for you to just input the answers here. What you need to do is, after you sum, you know, drop this box here, click on it, you're going to drop down menu, you select this, total liabilities and stockholders equity. Now, you add this together. If you add this $21,140 to $1,450. When you sum this together, you're going to give it this. Now, to check if the numbers are all correct. Now, the total liabilities and stockholders equity must equals the total asset. So that is how I did the whole of this. And here I did only one attempt. Oh, that was great. So that is how I do it. And thank you for watching this video. How I did mine. I'm really grateful. So you share, no, stop share. Wait, let's say good morning. Yeah, wait. No. Stop sharing this video. Share it. Go back. I don't know. I'm not really used to Zoom. So I'm gonna go back to Zoom. There we got this at the first place. Patience.